Hi Year Ones, I hope you've had a wonderful weekend, you're all relaxed, fresh and ready to start a new week of English. So we're going to start off with session 1, and in session 1 in English, our learning intention is using capital letters and full text is find the words. So before we start that, let's just go through the rules of using capital letters and full stops. When we write sentences, we always use a capital letter at the start. We also use capital letters for I when I'm talking about myself and for proper nouns. So let's just recap what proper nouns are. Proper nouns are the names of people, places, languages, days of the week and countries. Now remember that information, read it to do today's activity. In your work packs, you should have a sheet like this called Find the Words. The task is asking you to tick the boxes if you think the word needs. Let's just go through all the words and make sure we can read them. We have pen, London, fruit, Spain, food, Paris, bat, bear, Christmas, the sun, pencils, dinner, fish and chips. So you will go through and tick one. I'm just going to look at this. So if you look on that top line, you have the words pen. Now, is pen a proper noun? I'm going to say no, so I'm not going to tick that box. Let's go on to the next one. It says London. Now, I know that London is a place, so it is a proper noun. It's the capital city of England, so I'm going to give that a tick just like that. Fruit is not a proper noun, so I'm not going to give that a tick. Can you go through all the words on the images on this sheet and tick the ones that you think are proper nouns? Once you've completed that, if you look at the bottom of the sheet, there's a little challenge for you. I'm sure you can do this. I'm sure you'll do really well. It says, on a separate sheet of paper, try and use one of the words that you have written with a capital letter in it. Now, in that first line, I know London was a proper noun, so I think I'm going to make a sentence with the word London. Right, so I will start with last weekend, I, capital letter for I, went to London, and London is the name of the place, so capital L, with my sister, Gazala, full stop. Let me just increase the size of that so that you can see my sentence a little bit better. Okay, can you see that? And if we look at that, I'm just going to highlight all my capital letters so that you can see them. Now, do you know why I've highlighted the L there? It's a capital letter. Now, why have I used a capital letter there? That's right. It's the start of a sentence. Always start your sentences with a capital letter. So last weekend, I, do you remember? It's always a capital letter. I went to, now we've talked about this, so we know till L there, don't we? London is a place. It's the capital city of England, as we said. With my sister, oh look, do you know why I've done that? Yes, because Gazala is her name, my sister's name, so it has to have a capital letter. Let's see how well you do with your ticking and then with writing your own sentence. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.